Opossums are not immune to rabies, and there is zero scientific evidence stating that their low body temperature has anything to do with resistance. But do you want to know what opossums are resistant to? Snake venom. You see, opossums are unique because they are one of the only mammals that preys on venomous snakes. In fact, about 6% of the Virginia opossum's diet is made up of venomous snakes. And the secret, or secrets, to this trick is all in their blood. Here's how they do it. First off, you have lethal toxin neutralizing factor. This is a protein found in opossum blood that essentially binds to the toxins in snake venom. And also bees and scorpions and bacteria like E. coli. I wonder if it could bind to rabies. Who knows? Nobody's ever studied it. Anyway, LTNF binds to these toxins and says, nope, you are not going to work. Next up, you have oprin. Oprin is a glycoprotein in opossum blood. Oprin binds to and neutralizes enzymes in snake venom that cause hemorrhaging and tissue necrosis. Oprin is also known as DM43 and is found mainly in Virginia opossums. For opossums living in regions where snakes like the fer-de-lance are found, oprin just won't cut it. Instead, species like the South American opossum and the common opossum rely on something called DM64. You see, fer-de-lance venom also has enzymes that are highly toxic to mussels. DM64 will bind to these enzymes and stop them from working. However, while we know that opossum species like the South American opossum and the common opossum are resistant to fer-de-lance venom, the fer-de-lances clearly were not too happy about being eaten because it seems that their venom is getting stronger. And now they are starting to eat large opossums in the genus Didelphys, the ones who have evolved so hard to be resistant to that venom. As far as opossums go, I think they're going to come out on top, and that is because of their mutated von Willebrand factor. This is another glycoprotein in blood that venom normally targets, and when this happens, it stops blood from clotting properly. But this mutated glycoprotein in opossum blood stops certain proteins in snake venom from binding to it. It's quite effective. And even better, it looks pretty promising that in the next decade or so, we will be able to use what we know about opossum blood in order to create all-encompassing snake antivenom for people, and even medicines for other venoms too, and bacteria. So stop lying about opossums and rabies, and start truthing about opossums and snakes.